So today we are going to be doing a planner accessory haul. It's been a while since I have done one of these videos, and the last time I did a SHEIN planner type of accessory haul, that video did really well on my channel. So it's actually been quite a few years since I've done one, and one of my most recent hyperfixations has been washi tape. So I'm just gonna go through and show you guys everything that I got. This is all really cheap, really affordable, and lots of good things. So the first thing I got is actually like a little daily planner, and I really like these types of things for a quick, like kind of throwaway planner, kind of like a pre-planning, get my thoughts on paper. I don't care if it looks pretty. I don't care if it has stickers, you know, something like that. So I ended up getting this planner. Let me open it up. So this is what this one looks like. I actually paid, let me see, I paid $6.36 for this, and it's just like a really simple kind of like daily planner. You know, you can put your date here. It's got a little spot for like what you're thankful for. Just like a little checkbox kind of for like plans or schedule. You can fill in the time. So if you do like an hourly type of planner, but you don't really like the time span, if you don't need like the full day, you can just customize that. It's got top priorities, to-do list. You can even track your water here. It's got meal plan, things for tomorrow, end of day assessment, notes and doodles. So I just thought this was really cute, and I love that it's pink, and you get a whole bunch of sheets on here, and they are double-sided, so you get like twice as many sheets in here. So I thought this would just be like a really good like kind of jot it down type of planner, because one thing with my planners is that I do kind of get irritated whenever like I have to mark through things. So this is kind of like a very functional type of planner. So I decided to get that, and I love that obviously it's, you know, undated, so I can skip as many days as I need, make it last longer, whatever. So I thought that was a really good option, and I thought it was super, super cute. So that is the first little kind of like daily planner that I got, and I go back and forth all the time between different ones. So here is another one that I got because I'm crazy. This one's a little bit more plain, a little more simple, but I thought that this was, once again, another one that kind of has not as much stuff going on as the first one. And I paid $6.78 for this one. So again, like really affordable. Once again, this one does have the daily schedule planned out, and it goes from 5:30 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. in half-hour increments. So I did like, for the most part, this one's pretty functional for that. Once again, you've got the date at the top 3 work priorities, work to-do list, personal priorities, personal to-do list, and notes. Of course, you can always use this however you want, but once again, I thought this would be a good one for any days, like if I really have a lot of like appointment heavy type of things, or if I'm just like wanting to track like certain time blocks throughout the day. I thought this would be a good one too. So I will definitely have to like go back and forth between using these two and figuring out like which one I like more. Also, now that I'm looking at it, this one does have a little bit more of like a yellowy tone to the paper. This one's a little bit more of like that white blue. So just two options there, super affordable, and they have so many different type of little planners like this for like almost any type of thing, like wedding planner, budgeting, dieting, food journal. I mean, like literally everything. So those are the first two things that I picked up. Okay, so this is the next thing I got, and you might be like, what is this? So I really love finding unique organization type of items, and I thought this was awesome. So this is actually a bracelet holder or a bracelet display, but I thought that this would be perfect for displaying my washi. So this I paid $15.93 for, and this literally goes together in 10 seconds or less. You know, you just slot this in here like that. I know you can't really see this very well, so I will definitely have to like put a picture in of what this looks like when it's all done. And then you just put these little dowels in. That's all you have to do. No tools, no screws, nothing. It just holds it together. But it's just like the perfect, simple, easy to put together little display, because you guys, I kind of went crazy on the washi. I do have just a couple more items to show before that, and then we'll just go into Washi City. So the last few things I got before we go there. Now I did get a couple pin sets. These actually do look pretty similar, but I thought the like pink color was so pretty. So they came in sets of 3. I think you could get more sets if you wanted, but I ended up going for that because I love, love, love pink pins. I think that these little stickers come off too. Let's see. Oh yeah, these totally come off. I will definitely be removing those because I just kind of like the clean look. So that's what this first pin looks like. And they actually call this a calligraphy pin, and it's 0.7. So I think I got both sets for $5.35 total. Let me check my invoice. Yeah, so one set was $233 and one set was $256. I can't remember which one is which, but either way, they do look pretty similar, and I just love the pink and gold look on here. So let's see what the actual pins are like. So I've just got like a little scrap paper here. Now I do think these actually have a pink ink to them, which at the time when I was buying this, I was like, oh yeah, I love pink. But now that I'm like thinking about it, I don't really love pink ink for like actually writing on things. I find that it can be a little bit hard to see. So let's see kind of what this one looks like. Yeah, it's definitely not my favorite. Like it's writing smoothly, but I really love like a gel pen. Like my favorite ever is the Jelly Roll Sakura pen in, yeah, Sakura, I think that's the color. That one is my all-time favorite like pink pen, but I mean, this one is really cute too. But it does kind of have that thing where it like isn't completely solid, but I mean, for the most part, it is pretty cute. But now that I'm thinking about it, I wish this was black ink. Maybe this is something I can swap out the ink. Let's see. Oh yeah, I can totally swap these out. So whenever I run out of the pink ink, I can totally just like swap it for another refill, and that will actually be perfect because I just really love the pink casing. And then let's try this one real quick. This one, let me see if it's also the same size. Yes, it is also 0.7. Yeah, this is like exactly the same. I think that these are the exact same pen, but just in different style. So here's the two up close. So you can see kind of like the difference between the two. This one's got like the gold end and then just the gold pocket part, and then this one's got the middle gold and the little gold on top. I think I kind of like this one a little bit more. It just kind of looks a little classier, but both are still really, really pretty, and I am stocked up on pink pens for a while. All right, next I only got like a few of these little, I think these are called like PET stickers maybe, and I'm not quite familiar with like what exactly they are. Yeah, they are PET. I don't know what that stands for. I wonder if it's like some kind of plastic that it's named after. I'm not sure, but I just wanted to get like some of these because I thought they were kind of pretty. And these are like little butterflies. Let me see how much I paid for these. Okay, I paid $1.98 for these, and I thought they were so pretty. They have that like holographic foil, and so let's see what it looks like. Here is like the little backing, so I'll take that off. So this one came with a lot of stickers here, and I thought these were really, really pretty. So I'm just gonna kind of put some of these out so you can see what they look like. So they have the clear like plastic backing to them, and it looks like you do get like several duplicates of each one, which is great. I kind of don't love whenever there's just like one type in each like sticker pack, so I love when there's like a duplicate. So those are all of the stickers. These are actually really cute. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, like 19 stickers here. So those are just so, so pretty. I thought this might be like really cute to include in one of my plan with me's, maybe one coming up soon, I think. But I've never really used these kind of stickers. Let me see. Are these actual stickers, or are these just like little cut plastic? Maybe they're just like little cut plastic. I think that might be what it is. You guys don't get mad at me if I don't know what these are. This is like literally my first time ever buying this type of sticker, or I don't even know if it's a sticker. Someone can tell me what these are. They call them laser gold sticker bag. What does that mean? So if anyone knows how to use these, like are these like real stickers, or are they just like more of like a die cut? I would love to know because I have never played with these before. In the end though, I thought they were really pretty, so I just wanted to get a few of these and not like go crazy because like I said, I'm not super familiar with this kind of sticker, but I thought they were so, so pretty. So I just had to get them, and I love how shimmery and metallic and holographic these are. And I've seen so many stickers that are like this, and I think that they're just so, so pretty. So maybe I will have to kind of investigate these a little bit more, but oh my gosh, you guys, for like $2, beautiful. And if you're really into like scrapbooking and planning, you can't beat that. All right, next thing that I got is a little washi tape here. This one is so, so cute. It's just like a gold washi. Let me grab that scrap paper again, and I can do like a little swatch of it just to see what it looks like. I don't want to waste a whole lot, so we'll just kind of do it like that. So that one is really pretty. It's like super foily, shimmery, and metallic. And I've kind of wanted to play around with using more like washi tapes in my plan with me's maybe, because I just think that they're so cute and I have a lot of them, but I just never find myself really using them much. That's kind of what really got me into this haul, because you will see all the washi tapes that I got. This one I paid $1.53 for, and I don't know if it has the size on here. Let me see. I think that washi usually is measured like in millimeters, millimeters, so it doesn't give me that, but the width is 0.6 inches and the length is 19.7 inches. So just for a little bit of a reference. So I thought this would be a really fun, pretty one to have. So that is the first washi that I got. And now be prepared for Washi City. Okay, so the first one I got was a washi set, and I felt like this was such a good deal. So this is the first one I got. It is a set of different glitter washis. And if you guys are familiar, I do have like little faux glitter headers that I include in all of my planner stickers in my Etsy shop. And I thought it'd be really fun to maybe start doing like actual glitter washi in my planner set. So I thought it'd be really fun. So that's kind of what really got me into this haul. So you're gonna see I have a lot of glitter washi. So this one, I love that it came with so many. I paid $3.27 for all of these washis here. And these ones are 10 millimeters in width. So hopefully you can see that. But I just, honestly, I could have stopped like right here and this would have been totally fine just because of all the colors here. I mean, they pretty much got you covered, but when I was just looking at like everything, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get more because I wanted like every color I would ever need. So we've got like an orange one here. We've got gold. We've got like a lighter gold. We've got like a greeny gold. We've got a silver, a pink, a purple, a regular green, red, like a deeper blue here, and then like a lighter blue. And then this one is kind of like a rainbow silver. I can't quite describe it, but I guess that's kind of the closest I can get to it. So hopefully you can kind of see this. My camera and my lighting and my setup and all that is still not great. So I apologize if it's a little bit hard to see things. I'm still trying to like figure this whole setup out. So I'm also trying to figure out how to like get my lighting just right because I hate all the shadow and stuff. So I just need to like play around with this for a little bit. So please excuse that. So that was the first set of washi that I got. Okay, I actually think that one was $4.85 for that set because then I also got this one. And you guys, these are so pretty as well. They're kind of like the same setup, but they're more like pastels and like kind of more like candy color washis. And I am like the pastel candy color queen, so I absolutely had to get these as well. There, maybe you can see the colors a little bit better. So we've got like a gold here with like green shimmer. There's kind of like a glow in the dark green, more of like a little yellow green chartreuse, light blue. These are kind of like minty ones. So there's one a little darker and a little bit lighter. Then we've got like a white silver with green, a peachy one, pink, mauve, lilac, purple. These are just so pretty. And once again, these are the same size as the 10 millimeter ones. And then if you want to see how thick they are, that's another thing I forgot to show. They are pretty good amount of washi, I would say. Sometimes you get some that are like really small. This one I feel like is a pretty decent amount of washi here. Hopefully you can kind of see that. And honestly, I can't wait to like organize all my washi too. That is like something I'm really excited about doing. I don't know why organizing like little things like that are so fun for me. Okay, and then I also got a few more. These are actually smaller, so I got a bunch of these, you guys, a bunch. Most of these I got for like $1.98 or $1.68. Some of the colors did vary, but I got several different color packs. Once again, I don't know the millimeters on these, but they are a bit thinner than the other ones. So you can see this one we know is 10 millimeters. So I'm assuming this one's probably like closer to 5 or maybe just a little over 5. Maybe it's like 6. I'm not super familiar with washi sizes, so please forgive me, but it's definitely smaller than 10. And these ones I feel like are almost a little bit less shimmery. They're like a little bit more like a subdued kind of glitter, which I actually really love. So this first set is kind of a like pinky gold kind of set. I really like the colors of these. And then these, so now this is what I'm talking about. Like, see how wide the circle is and how there's not really much tape on here. So you're definitely not getting as much tape, but once again, these were a little bit cheaper and these are actually closer to the size I was wanting for my washi, because the size of the faux glitter headers I do in my kit, I was wanting these to be pretty close to that. So just like a little example here, I put some of my little faux glitter headers on here just to show. And so then I ended up like trying to manually cut it to match the size of my regular headers. So this is the cut size, and then this is how much I cut off. So I haven't decided whether I just want to like manually cut all of these. I feel like it's gonna be a little bit like too much work, or if I should just leave it the regular size and just have a thicker kind of glitter header. But I mean, you can just see like how much prettier these are, and I think maybe I'll just go with that for some of my like next few plan with me's. I think it'd be really fun. This one's like a pale yellow gold, this one's like a champagne gold, this one's like a peach gold, this one's like a pinky gold, and this one's like a slightly pinkier gold. So that is the first set that I got. Next one I got, this one's really pretty too. This one is like more fire colors, and I love these. So once again, we have another kind of like peachier, kind of orangey gold, then a copper, a really pretty like bright magenta. There is like a dull brown color. I kind of like that one a lot too. And then this one's kind of like a bluey steel gray kind of color. Not quite black. Then we got a purple set. I love these. These are kind of like more of a lilac, a lavender. This one's a little more magenta, fuchsia, kind of like a plummy color, just all kinds of purple colors there. Next up, we have another like true yellow gold set. This one is actually silver though, and then just varying shades of gold. So I mean, honestly, between all of these washi tapes that I have now, I pretty much have like anything I need to match a sticker kit. Then we have the greens. This one is a little bit more of like a mintier kind of green. This one's like a sage green, like a leaf green, a hunter green, and a little bit of a lighter emerald. And then somehow I ended up getting two of these. I think I messed up and one of them was like a bundle and I didn't realize it. So either way, I am definitely stocked on the blues, but we've got more of like a dark kind of cerulean blue, more of a turquoise, and then these kind of border on like blue to silver. So either way, I am once again covered. So you guys, that is pretty much it for this like crazy washi haul is really what I think I'm gonna call it, just because I did get so many different washi items. Like I said, I'm really going to love organizing all of these just because I like doing stuff like that. Now I feel like I need to put all these back in pretty order for my thumbnail pictures, so let me do that real quick. Okay, so that is pretty much it for like my crazy washi haul. Like I said, this is just gonna be really fun for me to like start incorporating some of this into my plan with me. So I just think it's gonna add a little bit more of like wow to my planner, because as much as I do like the faux glitter headers and they're so easy to make with just including them in the kit, you just can't beat like a true glitter. So anyway guys, I will try to link everything that I can. Sometimes things go out of stock on SHEIN, but 99% of the times it does come back, and usually there's always like multiple people selling the same stuff. So like I said, I will try to link to everything if you guys are interested in getting any of these for yourself, and be looking forward to me kind of incorporating these into some of my next few plan with me's. Right guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Links are below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.